Today we're discussing Block 6 of Sewcialites 3 window seat, and it was designed by Brigitte Heitland. She is a German designer behind Zen Chic. Hi, Maura.
Hey, Ann.
All right, let's show our blocks.
Da, 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 da. Is it in there?
Ooh, I like yours. I replaced orange with green.
It does not look like a warning. That's all good. I love your greens. I love how the black is working out for you. That's going to be really, really cool.
We'll see. In the end, it might be weird. It's just, we'll find out in the end.
Are you waiting until last minute to do your setting blocks?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Well, I have my fabric picked, but I'm not brave enough to cut it yet.
Probably not a bad idea, especially since you're not sure what size you're going to be working with there.
Yeah, but I measured this, and this was back to 9.5 by 9.5.
Oh, good job. Well, you're paying really close attention now that you hit 9 last week, so that's great. Okay, so Maura, please tell me you ripped a seam.
I did not.
I knew you wouldn't have. I ripped one.
One? Okay. I probably should have ripped, but after the week I had, it was like, yeah, no, I'm good with this.
That's totally stellar. No rips needed. Okay, so did you have any difficulties making this block?
Well, I had some points that came out exactly like they should, and then I had some points that were just a little teeny tiny slippage. When you're sewing, make sure that you're sewing on the side where you see this block, and you're sewing so that you catch that little 1/4 of an inch just perfectly. In this one, I didn't do that, and you can see my point didn't match, but there was one where I did do it correctly, and I had a point. I don't know if you can see those, but you know what I'm talking about?
I do, and actually that's why I had my one rip, because the very first side that I sewed to that square and a square in the middle, I totally spaced out that there were points. So I ran right over the point and chopped it off. So then I had to rip, and then I was like, oh yeah, okay.
Yeah. So sewing this like on the top, you're sewing blind. This has got to be on the top. And then tell me or explain to everybody else so I understand, where are you trying to get that seam? Because there's a sweet spot in there.
Where the two seams intersect.
Oh, okay. Okay, so right on that X, like right in the middle of that X.
Just a thread to the outside.
Oh, okay. That's what I wanted. That's what I needed.
Barely at all.
That's the only tip. That's the only hard thing I can think of on this block. What did they say this was?
What do you mean?
What level was this?
They have I'd never read that.
They had an intermediate again.
Yeah, I would say that's right. Square and a square is not the easiest block, because not only do you have to watch your points, but you're doing stitch and flips, which, you know.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, because of my busy patterns, I'm going to forgive myself a little bit. So that's why I didn't seam rip.
Oh, I couldn't tell.
Then they're perfect.
So yeah, the thing that I actually was worried about was the fact that the assembly instructions have you assembling 4 in a row like this, and those usually go sideways on me by the time I get to the 4th one. But
I noticed that. Yeah. Well, I did 2 and 2, and then I put the 2 together. That's how I did it.
Yeah, same.
Okay.
But I just kind of kept that in mind while I was doing my seams, and they actually turned out not bad.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I was happy that I got back onto the 9.5 by 9.5 path.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. I do have this one where that diamond should be hitting that seam and it's not.
Yeah.
I could have picked it out but I didn't.
Yeah.
Aren't you proud of me?
It's cute, cute fabrics though, really
I
cute.
like the spots in the middle.
Yeah.
Would you change anything if you made it again?
I don't think I'd make it again. This one was kind of dull to me.
Uh, I could see where it would be super cute, scrappy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like if you did like white right in these spots and then did
Yeah.
all different color patches around and then did a fussy cut in the
Yeah.
middle, I think that would be super cute.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not one that I'm going to come back to.
I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Yeah.
Do
Yeah.
you? Okay. After this, after this week, I was really happy to have an easy one to do though. So
Yeah, it was pretty easy. I agree on that. Yep.
can I ask you the time on this one? Okay, you go first.
Okay. I have 26 minutes. You won, huh?
I have 19
How
minutes.
many?
No, 19 minutes.
You're killing
19.
me. uh, okay, well, I think from now on, if I win, I should get 3 points, and if you win, you still only get one. Does that sound like a good deal?
Dan is totally behind that. Yeah.
Okay.
He said Anna's going to have to change the rules up. He already stated it.
I was thinking that before we got on here. How can I change the rules without sounding competitive?
I'm laughing. I'm laughing. No, yeah, I did this one in 19 and it was like zip, zip, zip. So
Okay.
there are hard ones coming and you're going to kick me up. You're going to kick my butt on the hard ones. I have faith in that.
So, any other thoughts on this block?
I've already noticed in the lounge, the socialites lounge, that they're like people are being pickier and the pattern, it was really random where you put the stuff. But there's some people that are making sure this matches this side and this matches that side, and again playing with the blocks and picking out new ideas and making it look different from the pattern.
It's fun to look through all of the different approaches for sure. And some of the fabrics are so cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, some of the
Yeah.
collections, yeah, they're great. They're absolutely great. I don't think mine's going to hold up to the stuff that they're posting because my points are, the more I look at it, I have really busy fabrics, so it's forgiving. But the more I look at it, it's like, oh, that didn't line up, and those seams didn't nest. So
Well, you're fine tuning. You
yeah,
hit your 9.5 inch perfection, so now you can get a little more
yeah,
pickier.
exactly, exactly. It would be one of those again we talk about that if you repeated it in a
Hmm.
quilt, it would start making its
Yeah.
own patterns, and those always intrigue
Yeah,
me.
I think it would be kind of cool. I might actually consider it. It's kind of cool. It'd be
Yeah,
a great
yeah.
stash buster because they're
Oh,
two
yeah.
inch squares. And so,
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's got a lot of possibilities. And now that you think about like how it would be in multiple blocks, I think it would be, yeah, it'd be
could be
fun.
cool.
I could change my mind
Yeah.
on that. We didn't lose any fingers this
Ah,
week, so there's
that's
no blood
true.
and gore.
I know. I'm healing.
Did you find the other body part? No? Oh,
No,
okay.
no. I need to empty the garbage, though. That's gross. Okay, well, join us next week because it is a flower block. And I don't know how the weather's been where you guys are all at, but in the Pacific Northwest, we could use a flower even if we have to make it ourselves, huh, Maura?
That would work just fine. Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks, Maura.
Thanks, Anne.
I'll see you guys next week.
Toodaloo.